Disney Collector here, and today I'm gonna show you this Bowtastic kitchen playset from Minnie Mouse. This kitchen has realistic sounds, lots of accessories, and comes in a really colorful box. Now we're gonna check out Minnie's kitchen and all the accessories. It will take you a few minutes to get everything out of the box. Finally, the kitchen is out of the box. First, let me show you the little accessories. Here we have a little spatula, large spoon, one little tray, frying pan, and the fried egg, one can of tomato sauce, just pretend, 2 cupcakes, and pot with lid. Now let's see what else. Wow, this kitchen is fully equipped. Comes with a dishwasher rack, 2 plates, phrases from Minnie. This is the oven with an oven rack.
Hello there, welcome to my kitchen.
You can put the little table up or down. The burner makes realistic sounds. The faucet makes sounds. That's the faucet. Is the water running?
Hello there, welcome to my kitchen. Daisy is going to love the treats we made. Isn't baking just fantastic? Ta-da! Come on, let's make something yummy.
Now we're gonna make a little cake using Play-Doh. This little Play-Doh cake is done. Now we can bake it.
That smells delicious.
And I think the cake is done. Beautiful cake. Here you can cook with Minnie. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Minnie Mouse right here on Disney Collector.